Re tripa like baby nyana ka matete. Re tripa la real church. Ka trepe ba re fa di bitch. Perfection in chaka number 7. Tripa like baby nyana ka matete. Re tripa la real.
Yo, Dima Degwan YouTube. Yeah. Kiyena Sisti Uteng with another video. We are posting another video. Posting 5 videos today, like from this morning actually till tonight. We are posting 5 videos on YouTube. We are working hard. We are making sure that we are working for the days that we are left behind. Yeah. So now I'm reacting to Trime Long Live. TRYM. I used to think he's Trims or something like that, but his name is Trime. Yes. I wanted to work with him, but we never got a finished product of that. I don't know if I had a work verse, because now I'm not a professional rapper like them. So I don't know if I had a work verse, but if I did, you could have just told me. But he cut things loose, and we're not talking, we don't have even get in contact. It's not like we close like that, but yeah. He had to tell me, dear dog, I cut you off the song or did something. Let me cut you off the song. And on that day I was very sick, young. Next time but it's fine. Hey, Long Live Trime, guys. Go listen to his music. It's fire. He's a producer and a musician. Thank you.
Let's speak it, I hate it, they remain it inside the bitch. Because the bitch the reason I'm broken, thinking I need a tip. Fuck it, she need a tip to go and wait another drink. Fuck it, see if you would drink if you thinking I'm finna kick the bucket. Ain't shit, it ain't make me leave, it ain't what you think. So it's kinda, of course it's gonna be a little, but fuck it. Go! See.
Hey, look, think I won't make it, I'll make it again, just to get your head spinning. Still the same nigga, just a plus on currency, dripping on linen. I'm tryna mind my business, I want the people to think that I'm kidding. You don't check in your feelings, if you check the moves that I be making. Dropping hits on my catalog, started like do. You show me hate and I blew it. I know that niggas might end up with bruises. I'm really crazy, don't push me. Your hit track don't move me. Yeah, I ain't get a
shit. I don't know if you heard that shit, but I hit you up and you blue tick. That's how you end up with bruises. And you get, oh god. Oh yeah. When I make Kana King a podcast, we should be asking niggas, if we interview them, they should explain some of their lyrics and tell us what they really meant. You understand?
You gotta call me with your body, the beat, take a soul out. Yeah, I'm probably the talk of the town, I don't even think they know me. Yeah, you probably hoping that I named your brother, go taking the beat. Hey, niggas are shit in the game, I'm sitting on top of their head. Hey, wonder what I'ma do next, I'ma give me a check.
Aspects of my work I can't discuss. You've always respected that line.
I don't need to know the details, Reggie. I just need to know that you're not involved in what I'm doing.
What do you I could say the same about you.
You would never hurt the president.
As I said, there are elements in my life that I can't discuss with you. Someday, I hope to share it all with you. Until then, I'm asking you to trust me.
Yeah. Tell you what it do. You know what it do. Till we on the move. Yeah. Tell you what it do, yeah. Tell you what it do. You know what it do, yeah. This is what it do. Till we really cruising. Benzo like a fool. You know what it do, yeah. Tell you what it do, yeah. Tell you what it do, yeah. Tell you what it do. You know what it do, yeah. You know what it do. Benzo like a cruising. Still we on the phone. You know what it do, yeah. Tell you what it does, yeah. Wait up, let me say something. So the game open at the gates, huh? The Genesis gotta stay such. Let them know what's up. It's the time crap, feeling like what's up. And it's on the search. If you say something, let it be with I'm not a beef, nigga. I just eat it up. You's a bitch, nigga. I conclude the thought. And it's only that. Let me go and let me know we catch it there. That's one thing with all the fucking haters. They ain't really where they wanna take it. But for now, we yeah. Got the game tight in my pants safe. Feeling like we made it. It's kinda awkward, but I guess we made it. Kinda awkward, but it's what we made it. Keep it been something what you say. Yeah. Tell you what it do. This is what it do. Benzo like a fool. You know what it do, yeah. Tell you what it do, yeah.
Yeah, that's Tribe.
Let's go. Mommy looking for a golden shoe. Ain't coming easy. Not a minute. The game open at the gates, huh? Unless you wanna win me. Get out your feelings. Bustin' up when I'm in this business. Say what's up, let me.
I thought the nigga was done. Oh.
Let me know you mean it. See what's up, bitches, be my niggas. Say whatever, we forever living and I'm about a ceiling. I love the feeling, I love it as much as I love the digits. Yeah, I love the feeling, I love it as much as I want to feel it. So I get to business, that's just daily business. Making daily business, what's the daily business? That's the difference, nigga. This ain't what you thinking. It's what it'll tell you for your feelings, Lord. Tell you what he do, yeah. Tell you what he do. You know what he do, yeah. This is what he do. Till we really cruising. You know what he do, yeah. Tell you what he do, yeah. Tell you what he do. You know what he do. Till we on the move. Tell you what it do.
Yeah. Nigga na happy ako.
In my most wildest dreams, you gon' fuck that shit. You heard? Yeah, yeah, boy. Like awesome shit, boy. This might be my boy, boy. That awesome shit, boy. Keep doing true. That boy, that boy. Really that shit on ain't no franchise. My nigga don't inside. Yeah, that boy move like awesome shit, boy. Yeah, this might be my boy, Joe. Be that awesome shit, boy. Me, I'm probably who you think, boy. Pretty that shit on ain't no easy, no franchise. My nigga don't inside this. Yeah, Rex on deck, that's first semester. The bitches you with ain't no dimension. The stuff you can all let them self-debated. My niggas ain't nah, no test to basic. My niggas ain't nah, yo, half for days and this shit on set you wait for. We're real hot, no top, but they got no top. We top, don't top the baker. Still the same, young nigga bliss lit business type shit. Young nigga bliss beat business type shit. On set, offset, beat business function. Young nigga trying new breed or something. Might say one, say quit or something. Be real about it, real clean about it. Cause I might say one, say quit or something. Yeah, boy, move like awesome shit, boy. This why me, my boy, Joe, be that awesome shit, boy. Me, I'm probably who you think, boy. Pretty that shit on ain't no easy, no franchise. My nigga don't inside it. Yeah, Rex on deck, still Saint Picasso. Dang on dang, them is truly down low, look down to come seeing bars above them. Dang on dang, still Saint Picasso. You know what it is, you know what it do. You know how it been, you know how we move. It's hard to believe, I shit got the move. But really we is, we doing what it do. We just had to catch up, it's shit nothing new. Catch up on your catch up, I need me a coup. I don't need a vision, just pay me the dupes. Yeah, pass me the dupes, pass me my cup.
I don't know if we all about it. It's a ketchup. I need me a cool and cool bad beans. They have tomato sauce inside. I don't know if you know that. That's why we should have them niggas to come and explain their bars, because now we understand this double entendre thing like differently. Thank you.
My couple dollars and we good. This song about them couple dollars for the dude. I'ma say what I want and whenever I do. And maybe that's the reason I need a crew. Paranoid, I never trust me, you bitch. Paranoia got me stunting and shit. If I ain't charmed, then I'm Judas and shit. Less spoke when I did not in my favor. He ain't slime, he ain't got what it is. So all my slimes, man, you know what it is. The picture ain't perfect all the time and shit. I expect me your conversation when I just yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. That boy, he that shit don't need no try, no franchise. My nigga don't inside. Yeah, that boy move like awesome shit, boy. This why me, my boy, Joe, be that awesome shit, boy. Me, I'm proud of you, who you that boy. Pretty that shit, I don't need no kissing, no franchise. My nigga don't inside. Yeah, that boy.
Yona neshota ke. Yona neshota. Sorry guys, I'm an Android user in a space. 250. Only what? 225. Oh, I na next work. Oh, but never battle get dead. I'm not going to 220. I never time. Show Njaga. Yeah, and all Mantha. Please comment. Guys, I'm still giving away airtime. You guys don't even watch my videos till the end. I'm still giving away airtime. Oh, it's fine though. It's fine. 15 rand airtime. Here, ababa actually. Dagogo.